This is what makes the Mustang one of the most popular cars around the world. Today, American muscle cars are known for their increasing value by collectors and classic car enthusiasts alike. Every year, thousands of classic muscle cars are purchased in the U.S. by international buyers. Some buy classic cars online, while others prefer a hands-on approach and travel to the States in search of the perfect car. The 1960s and 1970s marked what is arguably the golden age of American auto manufacturing, with a myriad of US-based brands releasing many things that were then deemed very stylish, masculine, and high performance. If you're new to this channel and all you want is quality videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and use that happy trigger finger by clicking the notifications button. Welcome to our channel. Let's take a look at the best 1960s, 1970s American muscle cars. Number 8. 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. 1969, the Dodge Daytona and its brother, the 1970 Plymouth Superbird, are the most radical vehicles to emerge from the muscle car wars. But Daytona, as the name suggests, was not designed for street racing. It was built to win NASCAR races on super tracks on the longest and fastest routes. To increase top speed, engineers placed the Charger in the wind tunnel. Aerodynamic modifications to the massive Dodge include a nearly 2-foot-high rear wing, flat rear windows, and a longer angled nose cone. The results were impressive. Number 7. 1968 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Carroll Shelby's first 2 years of Mustang were what many Mustang purists wanted the most. The 1965 and 1966 GT350s were light, simple, and perfect for use on the racetrack. But the 1967-1968 cars were even more fun under the hood, and were the engine of choice if you wanted to win speed races. The 67-68 Shelby GT500 comes with a whopping 428 cubic inch 355 horsepower under the hood. The Shelby Mustang received far more scoops and outrageous styling than older cars to do justice to its new horsepower and torque. The faster KR, King of the Road, high-performance model was also available in 1968. Number 6. 1969 Oldsmobile 442 W30. One of the best engines ever offered by an American Golden Era muscle car, this version was introduced in 1969, a year before the manufacturer lowered compression, making 1969 exceptionally powerful. Offered as a drop-top or hardtop and part of the acclaimed 442 range, with the 442 denoting a 4-barrel Carbo 4-speed gearbox and dual exhaust arrangement. Models equipped with this version pack upgrades such as an F-cylinder head and aluminum intakes. The 1969 Oldsmobile 442 is a well-known car among the car collector community. Today they range from $35,000 to more than $85,000 depending on the model. This car certainly retains its value over time, and this classic car is loved by many. Number 5. 1965 Pontiac Catalina 2+2. High-performance cars like the 1965 Pontiac Catalina 2+2 are often not appreciated by muscle car enthusiasts. Their type is considered by many to be too heavy, weighing in at 3,748 pounds, and too imposing to be considered a formidable threat to the muscle car world. The Pontiac Catalina 2+2 is considered the big brother of the legendary GTO, and is a performance-oriented large vehicle. For 1965, there were 3 different engine specs, the highest being the HO version with tri-power, improved exhaust components, and a high mount, which helped the top variant produce 376 horsepower. We're halfway through our list now, so just a reminder to like this video if you're enjoying it, and remember to subscribe to get the latest videos straight to your inbox. But now on with the best 1960s-1970s American muscle cars. Number 4. 1970 Chevy Chevelle LS6. It is attractive and stylish. Its aggressive demeanor sends fear to the hearts of even its toughest competitors. Gets its deserved place among CNN's top 10 muscle cars. Generally a medium-sized car with a large and powerful engine, usually, though not universally, a V8 engine, and a special trim intended for maximum acceleration on the road or in drag racing competitions. This is the definition of the defensive muscle car for the Chevrolet Chevelle. The LS6's conservative estimate of power puts it at 450 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. The Chevelle was a valuable car then and still is today. This is a rare find, and it takes more than a few hours or maybe a few days in the online market to find a good one, so good luck! Number 3. 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. There is no shortage of truly iconic 1960s and 1970s Mustang variants, although only a few, if any, special or elite like the mighty Boss 429. These Ford-made rockets on wheels boast an aluminum intake manifold, as well as a 4-barrel carburetor and a 4-speed manual transmission. And while more powerful than the much lower base model with an output of 375 horsepower, the Boss 429 also features a unique bodywork that's slimmer and more aggressive. Offered only in 1969 and 1970, a total of only 1,359 examples were produced. Every now and then you'll see one of these beauties crossing the auction block. While we can never stand to own cars like this, they tend to make a lot of money before changing hands. Number 2. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge. Pontiac had seen muscle in the early 1960s. In fact, the 1964 Pontiac GTO is widely considered to be the first of this breed. But in 1968, the car had a lot of competition. The thought in the Pontiac was to make a cheaper version of the GTO with a smaller 350 cubic inch engine that the ET, for elapsed time, calls drag racing. Pontiac boss John DeLorean didn't like the idea. For him, no GTO could have such a small engine. Instead, the team built a car one step ahead of the regular GTO. The Judge featured the standard 360 horsepower Ram Air 3 engine, but buyers could also opt for the more hardcore 370 horsepower Ram Air 4. The rarest of all is the GTO Judge Ram Air 4 convertible cars. Only 5 of them were made in 1969. Number 1. 1970 Buick Skylark. Throughout the second half of the 20th century, the Buick Skylark was constantly reinvented. If American cars could be a mainstay, the Skylark would be the choice. Starting as an exclusive luxury model before becoming a feature in sports salons, it then developed into a heavyweight muscle car before ending the anemic Ferret. The 1970 version boasts a 455 CID V8, has 360 bhp, and a massive 510 foot-pounds of torque. For those who don't want a tank engine, Buick also offers a cheaper 350 Ci V8. Buick's evolution in design starts to show right now. It starts with a square table design and comes the sloping back of the Buick and the arrow-shaped grille. That just finished our video about the best 1960s-1970s American muscle cars. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below? And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.